In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a team on Basecamp. We'll walk through this together on screen so you can follow along in your own Basecamp account. To start, make sure you're logged in and then head over to the project where you want to build your team. On your main Basecamp homepage, look for the project name and click into it. This takes you to the project's main dashboard, where you see all the tools and activity related to that project. Once you're inside the project, look for the option that says Add Some People. This is usually found in the area that lists who's already on the project. Go ahead and click Add Some People. This is your entry point for inviting teammates, clients, or anyone else who should be part of this project's team. On the next screen, you'll see a button or link labeled Add People. Click that. Basecamp will now show you different ways you can bring people into the project. Instead of manually typing every single person's details, we're going to use the option that lets you pick from an existing company in your Basecamp account. You'll see a section that says, or pick people from a company. Click on that. A list of companies associated with your Basecamp will appear. Choose the relevant company from this list. In the example shown on screen, there's a specific company entry selected, but in your case, just pick the company that matches your organization or client. After you select the company, look for a link that says something like Pick People From, followed by the company name. Click that, and Basecamp will show you all the people in that company. Here, you can select the individuals you want to add to this project's team. This is a great way to quickly build out a team without re-entering information for each person. Next, you'll see a text box that says Type your personal note. Click into that box. This is where you can write a short message to the people you're inviting. It's a good idea to explain what the project is, why they're being added, and any immediate tasks or expectations they should know about. Once you're happy with your selections and your note, look for the confirmation button on the page. Click it to send the invitations and finalize adding these people to your Basecamp project team. After that, your new team members will appear in the project, ready to collaborate.